Today we learn how to install Elementor, starter template, and create a home page. Let's install Elementor. Log into your WordPress. You will see dashboard like this. On the left sidebar, you will see the plugins option. Click on it and select Add New. Here you will see all plugins available for WordPress. Write Elementor in search box. You will see Elementor plugin provided by elementor.com. Simply click Installs and after installation complete, hit Activate. Here you can see Astra Pro and Elementor plugins installed. Now what is an Elementor? Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder for WordPress. This plugin helps you create beautiful pages using a visual editor. Elementor offers a free plan as well as multiple paid subscription plans. The free version comes with all the features you need to create a strong user experience on your site, including a drag-and-drop editor, 40+ basic widgets, and 30+ templates. If you want to access more advanced functionality, such as the ability to add forms and custom CSS, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Now let's install Starter Template. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for the Starter Template. Here you can install a free version of the Starter Template. We have a premium version. So let's install Premium. Go to the Brainstorm Force site and download a premium starter template. Wait for download complete. After that, return to Plugin section. Click Upload Plugin and browse recent premium starter template download file. Select File and open it. Now install plugin and activate it. Here you can see it's asking for license activation. Simply go to Brainstorm Force site and copy license code. Paste license code and hit Activate. Now our premium template is successfully activated. Now what is Starter Template? The starter site templates are complete website demos that get imported to your website. You can import the website template you need and then modify it as required. You can add additional pages and design them too. Adding a legal page can be done like adding any other new page to the website. Starter Template is a product of Brainstorm Force. Purchase plan according to your need. Link given in description. You can also leave comment, we will activate for you. Now let's create home page for our website. If we visit our site, you will see a default home page set by WordPress. So let's create a new home page. Return to WordPress. On the left side you can see the page option. Click on it. Here you can see all pages. Click Add New to create pages. Write the page name that you want to create. Then hit Publish. Now your page is live. Let's edit page with the help of Elementor. Click on Elementor option, you will see Elementor editing page. You will see a page with website name and other stuff. Let's clear all stuff first. Go to bottom left corner, you will see gear icon, click on it. And change page layout default to Elementor canvas. We will create a separate tutorial on Elementor, so don't forget to subscribe. Click on the starter template icon. Here you see a lot of free and premium themes available. Browse and select any theme according to your choice. Here we will only focus on showing how a home page can be created. Let's select any random theme for home page. You can check how the page looks before import. Then click on Import Template. Wait a few seconds. After import completes, close window. You can see our page is imported. Click on responsive mode. Now you can check how the page looks in tablet view and mobile view. You can edit each block and everything you want. Now hit update to save all settings. Here we successfully create our home page. Now let's see how to set this newly created page as a home page. Return to WordPress. On the left sidebar you will see the setting option. Click on it. Now click on Reading option. Now select Static Page. Here you can make any page as a home page. Select Newly Created Page as Home Page and save changes. Now open site in new window. Here you can see our new page is set as default. You can see this was the previous home page by WordPress. And this is the newly created home page. Hope our video is helpful to you. Tutorial Key will always provide simple and short videos. Thank you for watching.